Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. No matter how good you are at something or how you rank your accomplishments, there is someone out there who makes you look incompetent. You're a decent guitar player, but you're not Jimmy Page or Jack White. You're almost certainly not even going to rock your local pub. You're a good cook, but there are many great chefs. We are not equal in ability or outcome and never will be. A very small number of people produce very much of everything. The winners don't take all, but they take most. And the bottom is not a good place to be. People are unhappy at the bottom. If something can be done at all, it can be done better or worse. To do anything at all is therefore to play a game with a defined and valued end, which can always be reached more or less efficiently and elegantly. We might start by considering the all too black and white words themselves, success or failure. However, in a world as complex as ours, such generalizations are a sign of naive, unsophisticated, or even malevolent analysis. Perhaps you are overvaluing what you don't have and undervaluing what you do. There is some real utility in gratitude. It is also good protection against the dangers of victimhood and resentment. Your colleague outperforms you at work. His wife, however, is having an affair while your marriage is stable and happy. Who has it better? The celebrity you admire is a chronic drunk driver and bigot. Is his life truly preferable to yours? Who are you? You think you know, but maybe you don't. Before you can articulate your own standards of value, you must see yourself as a stranger, and then you must get to know yourself. Dare to be truthful. Dare to articulate yourself and express, or at least become aware of, what would really justify your life. Be cautious when you're comparing yourself to others. You have your own particular specific problems, financial, intimate, psychological, and otherwise. Those are embedded in the unique broader context of your existence. Your career or job works for you in a personal manner or it does not, and it does so in a unique interplay with the other specifics of your life. You must decide how much of your time to spend on this and how much on that. You must decide what to let go and what to pursue. Our eyes are always pointed at things we are interested in approaching or investigating or looking for or having. We cannot navigate without something to aim at, and while we are in this world, we must always navigate. We are always and simultaneously at point A, which is less desirable than it could be, moving towards point B, which we deem better in accordance with our explicit and implicit values. How can we benefit from our imaginativeness, our ability to improve the future, without continually denigrating our current insufficiently successful and worthless lives? You need an inspector, the internal critic. How can you start your renovations without being demoralized, even crushed, by your internal critic's lengthy and painful report of your inadequacies? But where you start might not be as important as the direction you are heading. Your eyes are tools. They are there to help you get what you want. If your life is not going well, perhaps it is your current knowledge that is insufficient, not life itself. Perhaps your value structure needs some serious retooling. And you must be cautious, because making your life better means adopting a lot of responsibility, and that takes more effort and care than living stupidly in pain and remaining arrogant, deceitful, and resentful. You determine to accept responsibility for it, and dare to posit that it might be something at least partly under your control. You ask for something better. You sacrifice your pettiness, repent of your envy, and open your heart. Pay attention, focus on your surroundings, physical and psychological. Notice something that bothers you, that concerns you, that will not let you be, which you could fix, that you would fix. You are telling the truth instead of manipulating the world. You are negotiating instead of playing the martyr or the tyrant. You no longer have to be envious because you no longer know that someone else truly has it better. You are less concerned with the actions of other people because you have plenty to do yourself. You are discovering who you are and what you want and what you are willing to do. That makes you hopeful. Even a man on a sinking ship can be happy when he scrambles aboard a lifeboat. And who knows where he might go in the future. To journey happily may well be better than to arrive successfully.